Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful egg shampoo recipe that requires only 2 to 3 ingredients. Usually, for homemade shampoos, I use mostly soap nuts, also called as Reetha in Hindi, and sometimes liquid castile soap as a base. The shampoos made with soap nuts is usually watery when compared to store-bought shampoos, and it takes some getting used to for having hair wash with it. Lately, I have been grinding soap nuts instead of boiling it, and it is much thicker and is easier to use, and it also cleans the hair very well. Since it is an egg shampoo, I have used an egg white along with soap nuts. Since eggs are rich in protein, it helps prevent hair breakage and makes the hair super shiny and soft. This shampoo is very gentle on the hair and can be used for children too. I usually don't like to use egg yolks because it stings. When we just use the egg white, there will be no smell at all. Just make sure there's not even a tiny bit of egg yolk when you're separating the egg white from it. This shampoo can be used for both oily and dry hair with a slight modification. Even if you don't want to use egg shampoo all the time, just make sure to use it at least once every 15 days to get super shiny soft hair. The previous night, pound 6 to 7 soap nuts and discard the seeds. Take the soap nuts according to your hair thickness and length. Once the seeds are removed, take the shells alone onto a cup. Now add water till the shells are fully immersed. Let them soak overnight. The next day, the soap nuts will be soft to the touch. Now take them in a mortar and pestle or in a mixer and grind to a smooth paste. If you want, you can add little bit of water while grinding. Now add in an egg white to it. Now continue grinding until you get a smooth fluffy paste. If you have dry hair, you can add in few drops of any cold press oil like coconut oil or sweet almond oil while grinding. If you don't soak the soap nuts overnight, you will not be able to grind it very finely like this. So make sure to soak the soap nuts overnight. Once the mixture is finely ground, your egg shampoo is ready. You can use the shampoo immediately or you can store it in the fridge and use it later too. This shampoo should be very smooth, but if you're not able to grind it finely, make sure to strain it using a soup strainer. This will strain out small bits of soap nut shells that are not ground. If you use the shampoo that is not finely ground, you will have small bits of soap nut shells in your hair after hair wash. So make sure to strain before using. If you want an egg shampoo recipe that can be stored for long periods of time, you can mix liquid castile soap along with equal quantity of water, egg white powder and few drops of any cold press oil of your choice and then use regularly. But if you're looking for a cheaper option, then the soap nut version is the best alternative. This is the base recipe, but you can add in more ingredients like essential oils to make it smell good too. This shampoo will strengthen the hair roots and will help promote hair growth along with making it super shiny. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.